Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and we have one amazing device in front of us to unbox. I have been waiting for this device for a very long time. ये दिवाली का गिफ्ट थोड़ा लेट आया, but yes, it is not a gift. I have purchased it in exchange of my old SJ5. SJ5 ASG SJ5 मेरे पास 7 years से था, and I have been using it like flawlessly. But अगर आपने वो रील नहीं देखी है जिसमें मैंने अपने ASG डिवाइस को अपने हेलमेट से उतार दिया है, सो वो रील ज़रूर जाके देखना इंस्टाग्राम पे, एंड इसका लिंक नीचे है. ओके, सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड अनबॉक्स दिस ब्यूटिफुल डिवाइस. सो ASG इज़ वेरी लेट इनटू दिस एरिया. यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स हैं. अरे कट जा मेरे भाई. यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स हैं, एंड देर आर सम रियली कॉस्टली प्लेयर्स एज वेल. सो बेसिकली व्हाट दिस डिवाइस इज, दिस इज ब्लूटूथ एंड मैश इंटरकॉम वाला डिवाइस फ्रॉम ASG, एंड इसका मैंने ASG SJ5, ASG SJ4 and now the SJ10 I am using, and I really love this box that they have made. वेरी नाइस एंड नीट. यहाँ पे आपको उसका इमेज मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे सिंस दिस इज अ मैश इंटरकॉम, सो यू हैव योर 3 राइडिंग बडीज विच आर गोइंग विथ यू ऑन अ ग्रेट राइड. ये सीरियल नंबर मिल जाता है. दिस इज़ वेरी यूनिक टू एवरी वन. एंड देन यू हैव ऑल दीज डिटेल्स ओवर हियर. व्हाट इज़ द ब्लूटूथ चिप कौन सा है. फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 2.4 हर्ट्ज. थोड़ा रेंज लंबा होता है 2.4 हर्ट्ज का, बट स्ट्रेंथ थोड़ा वीक हो जाता है एज यू गेट अ लिटिल फार. टाइप सी चार्जिंग है. 1000 mAh का आपको बैटरी मिल जाता है. वर्किंग टाइम इज 10 hours. स्टैंड बाई इज 15 days. चार्जिंग टाइम इज 2 hours, विच इज़ फंटास्टिक. ओवर वोल्टेज प्रोटेक्शन है. म्यूजिक इक्वलाइजर दिया हुआ है. डिजिटल नॉइस कैंसिलेशन भी है. इसके साथ सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है, यू गेट 2 color panels inside to choose from. So there is one is blue, one is gray, and there is one more black. So abhi when we open the box we'll see that. But yes, we get 2 panels. IP65 waterproof, which is amazing yet again, in league with the other big players. And there is no app dependency like Senna and Cardo. You need to connect with a different app. इसमें कोई app dependency नहीं है, just plug and play use है. You can also use this while charging. So now let's go ahead and unbox this. ASG का ब्रांडिंग सब तरफ है, आई एम श्योर. प्राइस अगर नॉर्मली आपने फर्स्ट नवंबर के पहले आपने खरीदा होगा SJ5 के एक्सचेंज के साथ, दिस विल कॉस्ट यू 7,500. अभी अगर आप लेते हो तो दिस विल कॉस्ट यू 12,000. दिस इज द ईयर ऑफ इम्पोर्ट. एंड व्हाट डिवाइस इज दिस? ब्लूटूथ इंटरकॉम. And yes, this is looking really nice. Packing is very neat. And now let's go ahead and cut this off. All right. ओह ओके, सिर्फ एक तरफ था. मुझे लगा ये कुछ ऐसे फ्लैप की तरह खुलेगा, बट नहीं. दिस इज ऑन जस्ट वन साइड. ओके, नहीं नहीं नहीं, फ्लैप की तरह ही है. हा, लवली. दिस इज रियली गुड. दिस इज रियली गुड. एज आई टोल्ड यू, वी हैव 2 इंसर्ट्स एज वेल. एक ब्लू कलर का है जो ये रहा, और एक ये ग्रे कलर का है. सो दिस इज वेरी नाइस. दीज आर 2 inserts. I will not use them for now, but yes, I'll definitely try them. This is just an unboxing video, so review, installation and everything will come later on, followed by it. And yes, come to the right, a car in approach. So basically this entire page depicts what we actually do while we are on the intercom. हम थोड़ी सी chit chat भी करते हैं and थोड़ी सी बकलोली भी करते हैं इंटरकॉम पे. बट येस, दिस इज वन पार्ट वेयर वी अलर्ट पीपल coming in front. For example, let's stop at the next fuel station. I need to refuel, and I need to defuel. So that means he needs to go to the loo. So yes, yeah. Let's see what's more inside the box. These are the 2 inserts that you get that you need to switch. Okay, all right. So wow, same neat packing as previously. And this is your main device. Have a clear look at this, and let's remove the best part. Oh, so this is a very bad thing. I mean, like, ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. So I don't know, I think इसका insert का वो टूटा हुआ है या क्या है, not pretty sure. This is a very unfortunate thing that happened right away, but anyways, we will go on to it. Device is pretty light, it is not that heavy. I was expecting. This is the charging port, this is the mic port, जहाँ पे आपका mic connect होगा. I think this is the volume controller, this is the menu, and this is for your mesh intercom. This is just a lighting, this is not an active button, this is just for your lighting, nothing else, and it will allow you, it will just show the blue color light when you switch it on. And yes, anything else? No, I don't think we have anything else. We will see how to switch it on and switch it off. Other things that you get in the box is, this is your mic insert, then you have some stick-ons, and this is the clamp on which the device will go on. So basically this is the clamp on which the device will be put. So this, I think this will go like this over here, and it will just snap on, right? Yep, this is how it snaps on into, this is how it snaps on. So yes, I will do that once again. I think I just went out of the frame. So yeah, इसको push करके खोल सकते हो, and अगर आपको इसको लगाना है वापस, तो you do this and you do this, snap. This is great. It's a very similar system to Cardo. Cardo में magnetic होता है, but इसमें magnetic नहीं है. इसमें just एक plain system है which is like this, okay? And then you just push it and it comes off. Over a period of time or by mistake, this can go wrong because ये एक छोटा सा जो प्लास्टिक का पार्ट आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है, this can break. This is something which, but I think most of the लोग खोलेंगे नहीं. एक बार जब डिवाइस कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, and once you have it over here, hardly anyone opens it. SJ5 का जो mechanism था, it was more like a clip-on mechanism, so there was a clip like this and it would go right away in it. But I think this is a little bit convenient, but yes, not that convenient as well. But yeah, जो भी है, this is good. This is something different. This is the charging cable, and this is your speaker. The speakers are heavy. I think the audio will be really great, as the speakers are very nice and heavy. And this is the boom mic that you get with it. इसके साथ audio आपको और clear मिलेगा than this one. This is also a mic which you can insert in your helmet and you can easily use it. बाकी इसमें थोड़े से चीज़ हैं, इसमें से आपको और एक एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है. ओके ग्रेट. अगर आपके पास 2 हेलमेट है and you want to completely put it on, so you have this is okay. Now I understand. So there are 2 stuff. Okay, so what are these 2 stuff? One is if you directly want to paste it, so this is for your complete pasting of the device inside your helmet. Okay, now and this is your clip-on. If you can put it inside, this will go in your, this one, this locks in, and then this part will be inside your helmet and this part will be outside. So there are 2 methods in which you can put. One is where you can see, and the best part is, see, जिक्सॉ बचपन में पजल नहीं खेले हो कभी. ये देखो, ये रहा, ये एक ऐसा जाएगा और ये जो है ये एक ऐसा जाएगा. हाँ, ये एक ऐसा जाएगा. oops, slippery hands. और ये एक ऐसा जाएगा. So these are the 2 ways in which you can fix this. One is with using a 3M and one is using a clip. I prefer the clip method because this is more secure and more reliable. Sticker जो होता है, कभी भी बारिश की वजह से या for any other reason it can fall off, so I will be using this rather than this. But this is also a neat setup. Maybe once you want to move from one helmet to the another, so you can use this and this system can just be moved from here to there. And you have 2 stuff also. By the way, you have these 2 also as well, where you can just be dependent on the on this particular material. जो ये material दिया गया है, this is very sticky and this will remain on your helmet for a very long time, and ये slip नहीं होने देगा basically. So yes. Oh, I think this is for this one. Sorry, this is for this one. My apologies. This is very confusing. This is for this one, and yes, this is for this one. So basically आप जब helmet में इसको डालोगे, so you put it with this one, so you have a gap of this much in between, and this will go inside directly. तो बाहर से grip ये लेगा और अंदर से grip ये लेगा. So बाहर का grip ये, अंदर का grip ये. So that's the purpose of doing so. Okay, and then these are your extra bits inside your helmet where you can put कि अगर आपका helmet का ear का coverage थोड़ा सा deep है, so you can put this and then put the speaker on this one. So this is how it goes. This is the Velcro purpose. This is again, these two goes inside your helmet in left and the right ear, and then इसके ऊपर ये speaker का जाएगा. So let me open this as well and show you. I am sure these are pretty good. I think they are still using the old system. Although wires बहुत पतले हैं, these are very thin wires, but they should do the work. They should चल जाएंगे अच्छे खासा टाइम के लिए. एंड ये रहा वेलक्रो वाला सिस्टम है उसको इसमें लगाने वाला. एंड ये रहा आपका बूम माइक इज़ रियली नाइस. आई हैव यूज द बूम माइक पहले भी. इसका बूम माइक्स आर जनरली गुड, सो देयर इज़ नथिंग टू बी सैड अबाउट इट. It's good. And yes, that's all in the box. And the most important thing is the manual. This is the bloody manual of this device. And yes, so this is the plus minus is the volume button. This is for your intercom button, Bluetooth intercom button. This is for music sharing. Okay. And okay, this is the master button. Oh, it did blink. See? अब क्यों नहीं हो रहा? मे बी चार्ज नहीं है. ओके, सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फंक्शंस जो इसमें मेंशन है. अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है तो आप ले सकते हो इसका, क्योंकि मैनी पीपल टेंड टू लूज दिस फ्यूचर में और अभी कभी भी. So yes, power on, you need to press 10. Okay, we will go through the functionalities later on. This is just an unboxing video. And yes, that's it. So I will be fixing this device on my helmet really soon, and I will share how to fix it and how to unbox this particular review of this particular. By the way, this also comes with 10 months warranty. If anything happens, they will reach them out and they will be more than happy to replace it for you. So that's it in the video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.